Write down 2023 and the first 3 words that come to mind. How do you feel going into 2023, considering the South African economy currently?
I think 2023, the 3 words I would put down would be rejuvenate, replenish, and restore. And that's because if I think of the last probably 3 years, ever since the start of COVID, business was put into hibernation. The world was in shock and still trying to work out how to handle COVID. So with all of the lockdowns, etc., no face-to-face meetings, it made it very, very difficult for businesses to survive. And a lot of businesses actually did close doors, and they just closed down because they couldn't function under those conditions. And then, with that, a lot of people, including myself, have had quite a lot of loss to deal with. Sort of the aftermath of COVID and the effect on family and friends. But as we emerge from that now in 2023, and as we emerge from COVID, and the travel restrictions have been lifted, and restrictions on social gatherings have been lifted, so there is more face-to-face meetings, face-to-face conferences. I believe it's time to rejuvenate, to strengthen old business relationships, and to build new ones, to create new business opportunity.